Hot summer, cold salad. Chicken salad is underrated because no one makes it right. I'm a big believer in pulling smoked or grilled chicken in your chicken salad. In mid-January, if I was shoveling snow and a woman put this in front of me, I would just push it away and go, lady, no. Then mid-June, after a hard day of weed eating, I'll gobble this right up. I love you, woman. There is really nothing more satisfying on a hot summer day than chicken salad. It's time to bring the sexy back to the senior center. You can use red or green grapes in this recipe. But let's face it, it's time to put a little sexy back in the senior center. I just read that one of the signs that you're getting old is when you wear a jacket when it's like 97 degrees outside. So here you go. I got it. Feel pretty good though. It's nice. I don't know if my internal body temperature is going down or something, but I'll rock this all day. I feel fine. I'm not perspiring at all. I got a zit growing on my nose like I'm 14, but other than that, I feel, pretty fit as a fiddle. But we'll see. I don't know. You good? Stay.